So right now, we have a lot of exciting news about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Let me break it down for you. The Galaxy S25 Slim is a new flagship model that's been confirmed by ICE Universe with a model number of SM973U. It's expected to have an ultra camera with a 200 megapixel main sensor, similar to the S25 Ultra. The S25 Slim is expected to be the most premium and expensive model in the lineup, even more so than the S25 Ultra. This is a bold move by Samsung, as Apple is also planning an iPhone 17 Slim model for 2025, which is expected to be the most expensive iPhone in the lineup. The Galaxy S25 series will also feature second-gen Galaxy AI capabilities, including AI summaries that can translate notifications into different languages, unlike Apple's intelligence, which is limited to English. Finally, we may see the second-generation Galaxy Ring sooner than expected, possibly even at the Unpacked 2025 event, with loads of new features, although the source didn't reveal what those features are yet. Overall, Samsung is looking strong and innovative, and I can't wait to see what they have in store for us. What are your thoughts on these developments? Let me know in the comment section.